Oh hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Gappy Trails as we go check out a stretch of Highway 533. Heading west from the quaint little town of Nanton is a lesser-known road. This highway winds its way to the south side of Chain Lakes, which has some really nice fishing in the summer, or venture out onto the ice in the winter for some ice fishing. What kind of fish are in this lake, you ask? I don't know. Fish. I first took this road a few years ago and was absolutely gobsmacked at how cool of a drive it is. Why it took me decades to take it is beyond me. If you have a sports car, this road has everything you could ever need for an engaging drive. The first part is as straight as a preacher on Sunday and finishes with twists and turns, which is sure to keep you on your toes. One minute you are staring at rolling hills and the next you get a sneak peek of the mountaintops. I'm not entirely sure of the elevation change, but there are some serious ascents and descents on this stretch. Winter driving can be dodgy if she is blowing snow to beat hell, but with caution, you will be right. Know of anywhere I should go? Leave a comment, or don't, whatever. Going north on the 22, or Cowboy Trail as it is named, is pretty good. Most days we can expect a windy drive with winds in excess of up to 100 kilometers an hour. Blown over semis or campers are not uncommon along this patch of road, with snow blown all over as well, just for giggles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more highway drives like this. Keep the wheels spinning and the beavers grinning.